Hello everyone, I hope all of you are good, safe and healthy. I have already taken the summer internship presentation. We have conducted different sessions for you. Those who have missed the session or those who have still some confusion, this video is for you. Why we are meeting again? We are here talking about summer internship which you students are required to do this year in June-July 2021. So let's start. Now the point some students ask is that, sir, it is not the summer. Why we are talking about summer internship right now? See, you have to understand it is very crucial that as soon as possible you arrange your summer internship, because you can see from all over India, all other institutes, colleges, university students, undergraduate, MBA students, they are also required to do summer internship. Now, when you are not arranging your summer internship right now, a company or different organization would be having limited vacancies of summer internship also. So the more you delay it, more it gets difficult for you to arrange the summer internship. Now the point is, why it is so important? First thing is, it is a part of your curriculum, right? For MBA students, it is a part of your curriculum of fourth semester, which you have to do summer internship after third semester. Means I will do between the gap of third and fourth semester, but it is a part of a subject of fourth semester, fourth trimester, I would say. Or for undergraduate students, it is a part of your fifth semester, which you have to do after your fourth semester. So apart from the academic, what is the another important thing that I do internship? Internship makes you a little more professional. Whatever you have learned over here in your academics, you are able to learn the practical things, which will certainly help you in your placements. We will talk about it someday in detail, but majorly the selection based upon in the company when you are setting for placements depend upon what you have learned in your internship. Now, when you are required to do summer internship, right? When the right time to do the summer internship? For an MBA students, in your academic calendar, dates are already given. You can start your internship on 11th June and you have to complete by 30th July. For undergraduate students, MCOM, MSc, BSc economics students, all undergraduate, BBA, BCom, honors, I would request that you check your academic calendar. On that, tentatively after your exam end on May, in the month of May, you can start your internship, and before the starting of next semester, hypothetically, let's assume in 2020, the August semester started on 27th August, July, 27th July. So you are required to complete, undergraduate students, you are required to complete it by 27th July. Now point is, for how many days summer internship you have to do as per the academic calendar? It is 45 days. The requirement is 45 days, or you can say 6 weeks. Right? Now the point, last one incident I would share with you, that Amazon summer internship session was going on. Students were asking the company officials, sir, how we can do summer internship for 2 months when we are required to do 45 days as per the university. One point you have to understand, if your company is being arranged through LPU, you are not supposed to question the company official. These are all internal things. You will ask the placement cell. Now, what is the answer for this? If you are arranging, if your internship got arranged through the university, right, then university will decide the time period. Otherwise, if you are arranging by self, then the time period is 45 days. Now, why the company which comes in university, sometimes the time period is extended, is there are different reasons. We might be negotiating with them for the placement drives also, or there are different reasons, right? So you will not think about the time period if you are getting selected through university, which is coming in university. If you are arranging your summer internship by self, then it is maximum 45 days, because there is no provision of providing duty leave for self-arranged internship. Now, who are the all sections who are required to do summer internship in the month of June, July 2021, or even some students can start in May end if their exams are ending. So all these sections are mentioned over here. You can pause the video and look for your section. If it is there, you are required to do the summer internship. Now, there are two ways your summer internship can be arranged. Either it can be arranged by yourself, that is we call as self-arrangement, or you can arrange your summer internship with the help of LPU. First thing, if you want that your internship should be arranged with the help of LPU, you must be registered for placements and your opportunity start date should be before February. Now some students ask, sir, where to see the opportunity start date? If you are registered for placements, go to your portal of placement portal, and there it is already given opportunity start date. So if your opportunity start date is before February, certainly you would already be getting the summer internship opportunity. You can sit for the companies. Now one major point I would like to mention over here, that the companies which come in LPU, they are of pan-India location. Pan-India means presence across nation. So they can give you any location all over India. Right now, the kind of industry scenario is going on. I hope you understand. Whether the company gives you stipend or not, right? If you are selected through LPU, right, you are supposed to join it. Now, in some of the cases, the company will give you any location. You are like, again, I will share the incident that Amazon Drive, the students were asking, sir, can you give me the South India location? Can you give me this? You are not supposed or entitled to ask the company officials for these kind of things, right? As per the place, please everyone read the placement policy. It is clearly mentioned you are not supposed to directly communicate all these things. You can ask the intelligent question, the future prospects, your job details, what kind of work you will be giving, how much target you will be given, right? The details which are not mentioned in the drive notice, right? If in the drive notice it is mentioned pan-India location, you cannot ask for the specific location. Whatever location it is there, it is the company who has to provide you that, right? They have already talked with us. So if you want your internship to be arranged through LPU, all these points are mentioned over here. And one point which is not mentioned is, which some of the students constantly asking me, sir, is it mandatory to arrange the internship through LPU if I am registered for placements? Answer is no, it is not at all mandatory. It is your wish, right? You want that, okay, I will sit for the companies which will come in LPU. Great. If you say that, no, I want to learn my niche role, my area, my specific thing I want to learn, I don't want to sit for the companies for summer internship. Perfectly okay, right? So whatever target the company will give, right, you have to achieve that to complete your internship, which is a mandatory part. Now another thing is, sir, I said for 5 to 6 companies I don't get selected, then what will happen? See, university can arrange the companies for you, right? Getting selected is your responsibility. I hope my point is clear, and I would request that pause this video right now, read this full slide and then only move further. After reading all the points in the previous slide, if any students think that no, I want to arrange it by myself, very simple. First you go on that summer internship arrangement form which you have already filled. Those who have not filled, they must fill it by today. So if you have already filled, if you go to that link from same email ID or the Google response which you got after filling the form, you click on that, you can edit the form, right? So after clicking on edit, you can change your option if required. Now once you found the company, how to take the approval, I will talk about it, but this video link is given, you can watch it and you can understand from there clearly about it. Now some students also ask me one question that, sir, I didn't know that when should I register for the placements and how the opportunity start date. So one of the screenshot of the UMS notice I am showing, since December, we will be telling you that you register for career services, and dates are also given that when you register and when your opportunity start date will be, starting, right? Let's say career service registration to assess the placement starts from 1st Jan, is extended, it started, right? So, and the career services registration and opportunity start dates are also clearly mentioned in all the drive notices, right? I believe it is 20. So, now you can look at it and then see if you register now when your opportunity start date will be coming. So, those are already registered, they know how to check the opportunity start date. I have already told from your placement portal. Now comes another question which many students are asking me, so and on. So I'm answering it over here. Sir, why should I arrange my internship by self? First thing is, if you want to learn some niche role, see, when you sit for placements, it's all about how you showcase your skills different from another, from your peers, from your friends, or from your classmates, right? He has also done the internship in the same company you have done. He has also learned the same work, you have learned. There it would be little challenging to prove. The two students back to back coming to me and say that, sir, I have done the internship in this company, right? And if you are not able to differentiate yourself from the other student, you can understand that it will be difficult for the company to choose which one student should I select. Obviously, the one who showcase me some more skills, I will select that. Whereas if you have arranged your internship by yourself in some another company, you have learned this far way different role from your peers, right? It would be very easy for you to differentiate how you are above or what extra you have learned or something like that. Plus, if you want to do the internship in your area, like this pandemic situation is going on, some students think that financially it's not viable for me, right, to go far-fetched areas right now. So that is only possible if you are arranging your internship by self. There is no guarantee. The company which is coming in help you, as I said earlier, they come for pan-India location. So any location can be provided to you. If you get selected through LPU, let me repeat this word, if you get selected through LPU means the company LPU has called, right, and you said for that company, you cleared the GD and interview and you are selected. It is mandatory to join at any cost. Like the other companies which previously came and student got selected, now they think that the area is different, it is far away from my house, the stipend is less or no stipend, nothing will be. Any problem you have, you think about before setting the drive. Because if you get selected and you do not join, you have already taken someone else's place. If you would have not set for the drive, some other student would have, the student who is genuinely want to do that, would have got selected. So sit for the companies if you really want to join that, right? So otherwise arrange your internship by yourself. Which are the forms which a student is required to fill before the start of summer internship? First is training arrangement form, which has been filled by the maximum good students. Couple of students are there who are still reluctant to fill. I don't know why. If you do not fill training arrangement form, for us, for examination, you are not doing summer internship. So those couple of students who are left, fill it by today, this training arrangement form. Then once you arrange your company, you are required to fill company detail form, right, which is given in the description of the video. Video is given over here on this link, right? I will be giving this video link in the description of this video also. Please make sure that before filling the company detail form, you check it. There is one more form, confirmation form. It will be told as and when required. The link will be given soon. If any another form is required, as and when, we will inform you through your UMS or any another way of communication. First form which I told, training arrangement form, if you have not filled it till now, make sure to fill it now. Pause this video, you can scan this QR code, the form will open. Make sure to fill every details of your correct. Some of the students, still in the previous talk also I said fill this form very carefully, still they have not filled their email IDs or other details carefully, right? Because the last time I have sent the mail, many mail bounces because they have written their email addresses incorrect, right? I cannot judge what is your correct email ID. So all those who have not received any mail, I request go on this link again, click on the edit option, check all your options correctly and precisely, right? If anything is wrong over there or you want to change your option through LPO to self or any other thing, then do it and then submit the form again. Right now the editing is available. There are some mandatory guidelines that if you are arranging your internship, by self, when you have to fill. Now, there are some students who say, what is an NOC or recommend the authority letter? Let me clear it to you. First thing is, if you are arranging your internship by yourself, you need to have approval. Approval from the university side that whether this company is allowed or not. How to take the approval? You have to fill this company detail form. Once you fill the company detail form, we will check it that okay whether the company should be allowed to that student or not. Once it is checked and verified, there is one more option given in the form that whether a student need NOC or not. If student do not need NOC, they can fill it I don't need NOC, right? If they need NOC, they can write on yes. So after the company is approved, we will inform you. Those who do not need NOC, we will also inform them that your company is accepted or not. Those who need NOC, they will get the NOC after the company is approved. By chance, if the company is not approved, we will provide you the reason, right? You can talk to us, clarify that doubt, and then if everything seems okay, we will issue you the letter. All the details are given over here, and in the company detail form also it is given. So you can pause the video and read it. That's all from my side for today. We will meet it again. But again, my advice, the students who have not filled the training arrangement form, fill it by today, right, 10th February. And students, those whether you are want that my training should be arranged through LPU, or whether you are want that you will arrange your internship by self, make sure before the end of month you have one internship in hand. For the students who have filled through LPU, my advice to you is, right now till now if you are not get selected, so my advice is try arranging by yourself also later on. And for let's say you wanted to do in some company, right now you are not selected through the companies in the LPU. You talk to some banks or your organization. Let's say student talked with one company, A Limited, right? A Limited, he filled the company detail form, right? And after verifying the company, I believe that okay, it is a good company to go, and we issued the NOC letter. Still, you will be getting the companies through LPU because you have registered for placements, right? So, if later on you get selected in the company through LPU, there is no problem. You can join this company very well. So, there is no harm that even if I am doing little effort for me in arranging the summer internship by self, right? But if you get selected through LPU, then this is the mandatory organization to join. Now you decide and act accordingly and act little fast. Thank you. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.